I've got a BMW X5 2010. The customer, I'm not sure the whole history of this car, but apparently do the no crowns, no stars, and somebody diagnosed and let's say towards to the 40 starter motor. So I'm going to check if I got a starter motor solenoid control. So I'm not sure how well you can see there. And I did a little bit of research last night. I'm not sure you can see there's a white wire. Yeah, there. Just did you see there? Just kind of next to the red cable. Yeah. What you can see there? Yeah, I got my probe onto the white seat solenoid wire. So yeah, now I'm gonna start the car. Then let's see. Alright, we're in. Test that there. Right, quiet car. Yeah, I can hear the click. One more time. Yeah, that's good there. Yeah, after a couple of attempts, press the start buttons, and yeah, the car's running now. I got 14.9 volts. So battery alternator charging. Yeah. Can I blend the starter motor? Most likely. Yeah, you can see the car's running now. Yeah, there's a 3 connectors here, here, and here. In order to disconnect the connector, you pushed middle tab here, and kind of unlocked the locking switch like this. Okay. Yeah. Alright. Wasn't an easy job to remove the starter motor on this BMW. Yeah, I didn't remove the computer, but I just gotta get away. Just yeah, I can move the internal manifold and undo the bolts, nuts, or bolts on the starter motor. Alright, the new starter motor is in. I'm not sure how I can see right there. Right there, new starter motor is in. Yeah, basically I just warm up this side, remove the starter motor, fit the new starter motor. Yeah, these are the tools I was using to do up the starter motor bolt. About the condition, the 40 starter motor was on that BMW. Yeah, the brush is all gone, not much left, and the carbon build all the crap out there.